So this riff starts with the open A string, first finger on the first fret of the A string, middle finger on the second fret of the A string, then roll your middle finger over to the second fret of the D string. So the first four notes are like that. Then play them again and finish with the open E string. So the whole first phrase altogether is open E at the end there. And you would palm mute this slightly as you play it in the actual song. Then you would repeat it again, those first four notes, and again. And this time you would put your ring finger on the third fret of the G string, pull off to an open E, and then back to the second fret of the D string. Like that. So the second part of the phrase altogether is and here you would just finish on an A chord. This riff is best played with bridge pickup, and as I mentioned, palm muting throughout, and also with a Marshall kind of tone. Hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you next time.